Hey everyone, today we're going to ensure your dates in a Power BI table sort in reverse chronological order from newest to oldest. When dates appear to sort alphabetically, it's usually because Power BI is treating the column as text. This process involves accessing the data view, confirming the correct data type, and applying the descending sort. 1. Access the data view and select Table. We must switch views to inspect the raw column structure and values. 1. Open Data View. Click the table icon on the left sidebar to switch from Report View to the Data View. This view lets you verify how each column is behaving before building visuals. 2. Select Correct Table. In the Fields pane, locate and click the table that contains the date column you need to sort. 3. Activate Column. Click the header of the date column in the main grid to highlight it as the active field. Next, ensure correct data type. Incorrect sorting often occurs if the column is stored as text or includes a hidden time component. 1. Open Column Tools. With the date column selected, go to the Column Tools tab on the ribbon. 2. Change data type. Open the Data Type dropdown and select Date instead of Date Time. Selecting Date removes any hidden time values that could disrupt the ordering, ensuring a correct chronological sequence. Next, apply the descending sort. The final step is to explicitly apply the reverse chronological sort. 1. Sort command. Right-click the highlighted date column header. 2. Choose direction. Select Sort Descending. 3. Check for issues. Note that blank or invalid entries will typically appear at the top or bottom of the sorted list. You may need to apply cleaning rules later to handle or remove these rows. 4. Verify result. The rows in the table should now reorder, showing the proper reverse chronological sequence from the most recent date to the earliest. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.